Hello everybody. Today we're gonna use Amazon S3 service. It's a object oriented service. It's an object storage service from Amazon, and today we're gonna use S3 to create a static website. So firstly, we're gonna create a bucket. So we're gonna place a name. Let's name it static S3 website. So this has to be unique as it's written here. Bucket name must be unique with global namespace. So we're gonna leave everything by default right now. Public access is blocked at the moment. We're gonna change this down the line. So we're gonna leave everything as it is. Create a bucket. Let's go inside the bucket. As you can see, it's empty right now. So I got a few of my files here that I created. It's not anything like complex. It's just an HTML file with headers and image. So let's drop this here, upload it. So it's successfully uploaded. So if we go to our S3 bucket, we can see our files here. So after the files are uploaded, you can do the upload like later on, or you can do it beforehand. So after the upload, we go to properties, and then at the very bottom, we can see static web hosting. So at the moment it's disabled, so we're gonna enable this and write our homepage. That's index.html. You can put the error.html file, but I haven't created that, so we'll leave everything the way it is and save changes. So after it's successfully done, we go at the very bottom and we can see that Amazon S3 has given us a URL. So if we go to the URL and open it, at the moment it shows you 403 forbidden. So at the moment you can't see the website for that because it's like it doesn't have a public access. So let's give it a permission. Let's go to the permissions tab. Lock all public access is on, so we're gonna have to turn this off so it gets the public access. Let's confirm this. So we got the permissions. And now we gotta also put a bucket policy so everybody can read the website. So we're gonna edit it. So what policy are we gonna put it? We're gonna go to S3. Let's go through the documentation. It's always good to go through the documentation and see how it works. So all the steps are provided right in the documentation. We have done this part and we're gonna take this policy. So this policy just shows that public read access. So we're gonna copy this, go to our policy, paste it. It's pretty straightforward. So you can copy this whole file and replace it here. I'm just gonna copy the name and then paste it where it says bucket name, and you gotta have a /*. So this tells that you'll be taking all the object inside the bucket. We're gonna save it. So after this, let's go to the properties, take our URL and paste it, enter, and as you can see, our website is ready and rock and rolling. So creating a static website in S3 is pretty simple, and it can be really useful for most people who don't know. You don't have to go to getting, it doesn't give you a right domain. You have to use a domain that's provided by Amazon, but it can be really useful. So for me, I can just comment this out, the image, and then I'm gonna put in my resume. So this part gives a resume and this part helps you to download the resume if you need it. Oh, sorry, it's vice versa. This part helps you download the resume. So we save it. We go to our objects. So we're gonna delete this index.html. So let's delete it. So index.html is gone. And we're gonna bring the new index.html into play, upload, and after it's successfully uploaded, so we can refresh it, and this is how you can really make good use of the S3 bucket static website. So here you can see that my resume is all uploaded, and here at the very teensy bottom, you can download my resume if you need to. So this is how you can use it. You can customize it. You can play with HTML, CSS, make your portfolio, make it as a blog, and you can upload it on S3 and showcase it. You can put this link on your LinkedIn profile or anywhere you want, and people can access and see your website, your portfolio, what things you have done. This is as just a static website. Thank you very much. So this is like a manual process. I'll be making more videos on how you can automate this using code commit. Sorry. Thank you.